It's here. I don't even know if taping this is gonna be okay, because this box is different than the others in that it's like flatter. I'm just gonna give it a little spin. It's in a marigold yellow. It always says beauty comes from the inside, Archer and Olive. It's got the embossing that is normally on the boxes. And I'm just gonna dig in. I haven't peeked. I have avoided all, oh, we got a little sticker here. Let's just give it a slice. There we go. Give it a slice. Okay, here we go, here we go. Ah, so, first look. Let's check to see, because I'm recording this. This is a live. Okay. I'm gonna try not to make this like super long, like the last one. All right, that's what it looks like. Oh my God, I'm already in love. So green is my favorite color. Let's just start right there. Okay, what is this? Archer and Olive. I'm gonna try to do this speedily. I don't know what this is. And it doesn't really say on the outside, so we gotta dig in. Aha! Oh, how cool is this? So it's like a tiny little dot grid notebook. 2 different shades of green and yellow. Love this. This is great. You can just tear these out. Looks like you can just sort of tear these out and place them in a notebook. Oh, and it's double-sided, so you got both sides. Excellent. Okay. Enamel bookmarks, set of 2. Oh, I'm so excited about these. Ah, beautiful. Okay. So we got a tiger and a leaf. Excellent. I'm trying to speed through, you guys. I don't want to. We got new calligraphs, Into the Wild. Water-based ink. That's what we need. Oh, it's making my heart sing. It's making my heart sing. Look at all those greens. Yes. So we got a double-sided. Oops. I just flew off there. Double-sided pen. Oh, I'm excited about these. Hopefully at the end I'll give these a little test, or maybe I'll do a quick short testing out these. Let's see. So it's in this little, this is little envelope, vellum. Oh, stickers! We got a little packet of stickers. Is that a coconut? What is that? I'm not sure what it is. I'm thinking it's a coconut. We got some Monsanto leaves. This Monsanto leaves. Some palms. This cute little tiger. This speaks to me. The imagery in this speaks to me quite a bit. I can find a lot to do with these stickers. Yay, so exciting. So exciting. Okay, so let's get these back in the envelope. Let's see. And I want to keep these close so I don't lose any of the stickers. So we got, washi. Yes. Washi. So we got 4 different color washi tapes. We got this pink in, I guess it's kind of like a leopard print. We got green washi with these tigers. This leaf print. These are really great. Oh, and I love this. I love that it doesn't have any sort of particular sort of visual heritage. You know, you kind of look at it and it could be used for just about anything. Love that. These are kind of specific, but this is very general. I could find a lot of different uses for it. I'm loving, this is something I might doodle. I guess it's part of my doodle heritage. Okay. I spent a little time on that washi tape. Okay, these coloring pages have been like staring us in the face. Oh, so they listen to the feedback. It's a matte page. These are going to take color beautifully. It looks like the perfect size to sort of slot into a journal. Yay, yay. If you aren't particular, oh, no, okay. I know that people don't spend much time loving on the packaging in this way, but in many ways, I feel like this packaging is so great for use in bullet journaling. You could stick a sheet of paper in here and just sort of color in the leaves or draw a line around the stencil. Use this envelope as a stencil. It's really, I'm a huge fan of stencils. I don't know what else is in the box, but if Archer and Olive is listening, more stencils, more stencils. They give us so much use and freedom. Love these though. Okay, I see this bag. I know. Okay, okay. So got 160 GSM, ultra thick, perfect marker, pens and paint, notebook. Okay, let's dig in. Let's see what we got here. Okay, got my letter opener. Okay. All right. I love this box. I keep all the boxes if I'm honest. I can already tell the color of this notebook is gonna be everything. Yes. I love it. It's like a green, but it has a little blue in it. I don't know. That's the best way I can describe the color. Let's see if we can slide this off for a sec. Oh, let's forget that. Why are we being precious? Let's see if we can get this. Open it up this way so we can open it up, show you the pages. Oh, wow. So the difference between the typical journal and this is that it has these perforated pages, which are kind of perfect for working and tearing things out. Besides the notebooks, I never really thought about having perforated pages in my journal. This is interesting. It's funny because it doesn't tell you that there's a perforated pages on the binding here, but yay. Excited about that. Love the leaf print. Okay. What is this? I've been looking at it, but I haven't. Okay, what do we got here? Oh my goodness. Is this for wine? My mind went straight to wine. But I do believe it's like a wine tote. It's like for a picnic. You can fit your journals in the center. If you look at it. Journals in the center. And then I'm pretty sure it's like a wine tote. Get your wine and put it in here. Oh, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I'm very excited about this bag. And not only am I excited about the bag, the wine tote, but it's gonna get a lot of use for the summer. It's a storage tote. Maybe it's not a wine tote after all. Maybe that's just me being me. Oh, I'm excited about this box. I'm excited about the quality of it. Like I got a lot. There are a lot of things in this box that I know that I will use. Like I love the colors, the calligraphs, all those greens, the washi, the coloring pages. I mean, you can just put those in the notebook. We have the enamel bookmarks, which you can use for journaling, but you can also use for other things. And then we have these Dot Grit notebook pages and the calligraphs. I always appreciate new pens. So excited about this. All right. That's it, guys. It's the official unboxing of the Archer and Olive sub box for March. I'm so excited about it. Ah, I try my best. You probably hear my dog playing with his bone below us. I do my best to try not to peek into these sub boxes ahead of time, and I do my best to try to wait and not see any of the previews. It's hard not to. So I had a glimpse of like the color scheme and a couple of glimpses of the I guess it's like the tiger that's being featured on the design, but I hadn't had an official peek. So, and typically after these unboxings, I go back and watch the official unboxing on the website. Sorry about the noise. All right. I'll see you at my official Plan With Me for April coming soon.